Israel?
Well, as far as I understand the convention, states are members, states are signatories, and you bring actions with reference to states, not to particular groups.
But has Hamas behaved genocidally?
Well, I believe that what has been done by Hamas is certainly caused great harm, and I do think that the hostages should be freed, and that's what we must focus on.
Madam Minister, do you believe that the decision of the court will help, let's say, in solving the problem of the Israeli aggression against the Palestinians today, and in the short term maybe can help finding a political solution to the conflict between the Palestinian people and the Israeli occupation?
Well, my hope is that we will begin to move toward a process where substantively a two-state solution is being discussed. The people of Palestine have suffered harm for many, many decades. I don't believe it will end today or tomorrow. But what we've done is a very clear signal has been sent by the court. And it's now a test for the government and people of Israel as to whether they will act in a manner that says all of us must respect international law.
What are the implications for international law?
Hello. Well, if Israel acts in accord with it, I think the implications are for a future hopeful world. Should it not, then essentially we're opening up room for all abusers in many conflicts throughout the world, and I think we'll be setting a terrible, terrible precedent. So what we should do, what all of us should do, is call on Israel to act in terms of the decision.
But will you sever ties with Israel, or are you preserving ties with Israel?
I don't think it's a matter of South Africa and Israel here. The real issue, all your questions are about Israel, but the real issue is the people of Palestine who are being killed every day. The people of Palestine who are sleeping in the cold. The people of Palestine who are denied food, water and energy. That is the critical issue that all of us should focus upon.
And on that note, we're going to ask the Vice Foreign Minister of...
With the people of Palestine, we stand with the people of Palestine, and our message to them is never give up hope. South Africa got over the apartheid oppression. They will overcome.
And for that, we'll ever be grateful, Your Excellency.
Thank you.
Allow me to start by saying that we concur with everything that Her Excellency, the Minister of International Cooperation of South Africa, Naledi Pandor, has stated in front of all of you, and to read a message from the Palestinian people on this very important day. This is a historic day. Palestine welcomes the momentous order by the International Court of Justice. This order means that the court recognized the gravity of the situation and was convinced by South Africa's compelling presentation that was based on law and fact that there are plausible cause to believe that Israel is committing genocide in Gaza. It means that the cries and suffering of our people in Gaza have been heard in the Great Hall of Justice. Israel failed. It failed to convince the court to dismiss the complaint to prove that it is not deliberately violating Genocide Convention. The ICJ judges assessed the facts and the law and issued their order. Israel now will stand trial accused of committing the crime of all crimes. We call on states to ensure that all provisional measures ordered by the court are implemented. States and governments have clear obligations in light of this order. First and foremost, they must make sure they are not complicit in this genocide. This is a good day for humanity. This ruling is in favor of international system based on law and against exceptionalism and double standards. It should be a wake-up call for Israel and its enablers. The State of Palestine will undertake every endeavor to follow up on this important ruling by the courts towards ensuring the rights of the Palestinian people and ensuring justice. To this end, and with deep conviction in the rule of law, we will continue pursuing accountability and justice in all forms, including in the few weeks' time when we return here to the ICJ on the 19th of February for the oral hearings in the advisory opinion proceedings on Israel's illegal occupation and regime inside the occupied Palestinian territory. This illegal occupation and apartheid regime must be brought to an end. Palestine will forever be grateful to South Africa for taking this bold step of active solidarity. Together with peace-loving nations, we will continue to work to stop genocide, hold perpetrators to account, and work to stop all other atrocities against our people. Just few words in Arabic and I'll conclude my statement and open the way for questions and answers. هذا يوم تاريخي لفلسطين والإنسانية جمعاء. ترحب فلسطين بقرار محكمة العدل الدولية الحاسم فيما يخص الإجراءات الاحترازية الواجبة بخصوص الشكوى المقدمة من جمهورية جنوب أفريقيا حول الإبادة الجماعية التي تشنها إسرائيل على الشعب الفلسطيني في قطاع غزة. هذا يعني أن إسرائيل ستحاكم في قادم الأيام بتهمة الإبادة الجماعية وانتهاكات أخرى لمعاهدة الإبادة الجماعية في أعلى سلطة قضائية في العالم. لقد فشلت إسرائيل في التهرب من المساءلة.